Hello everyone, welcome back to Kids Zone. Today, we are diving into the comforting and nutritious world of Horlicks Original Malted Hot Drink. Let's see why this classic drink is a favorite for so many. Horlicks has been a beloved household name for over a century, known for its delicious malted flavor and numerous health benefits. But what makes it so special? Let's find out. First up, Horlicks is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It's an excellent source of B vitamins, which are crucial for energy release, and vitamin D and calcium, which support strong bones and teeth. Need a steady energy boost? Horlicks has got you covered. Its unique blend of malted barley, wheat, and milk provides a slow release of energy, keeping you fueled and focused throughout the day. Did you know that Horlicks can also help you unwind? The warm, comforting drink is perfect for relaxing after a long day, and the combination of vitamins and minerals can support a good night's sleep. Horlicks contains fiber which aids in digestion, helping to keep your digestive system healthy and functioning smoothly. Personally, I love starting my day with a warm cup of Horlicks. It's not just delicious, but I genuinely feel the difference in my energy levels and overall well-being. Making Horlicks is super easy. Just add 3-4 teaspoons to a mug of hot milk, stir well, and enjoy. You can even customize it with your favorite flavors or add-ons. So, whether you're looking for a nutritious start to your day, a midday energy boost, or a relaxing bedtime drink, Horlicks Original Malted Hot Drink is the perfect choice. Give it a try and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health and wellness tips. Thanks for watching. Stay healthy and happy, everyone.